Hello everyone. Today's video is on another collectible lighter I got years ago. It has to be 20 years ago now, or maybe even longer. This is a Zippo. I think it was a comic book collection they were doing. The Crow. It's never been out of the box. It's never been used. It's basically the day it was made. But I don't know exactly what years these were made anymore. I just thought I'd get it out and show it and see if anybody out there knew some more information on it. If you do, you could leave me a comment down below and help me out a bit as far as identifying the year. I can't remember. Like I said, it's got to be at least 20 years old, I would think. Came in a collector's box. And it says Zippo Manufacturing on it. Let's see if I can open it again. Sorry. Yeah, there you go. But anyway, I thought you all would get a kick out of seeing something like that. I hope you liked it. Once again, if you could leave a like and maybe a subscription, it would help me out a lot with YouTube. Let people know they enjoy these videos. Also, too, I want to thank you for watching. You all have a good day. Thank you. Bye.